Hello. In this section, we need to understand what are the concepts and the principles which are put into consideration when designing a 5G network. The first concept is the flexibility. Flexible design in 5G networks is the key for dealing with a wide range of options and configurations. We have many examples, but let's give some here. The first one is related to the carrier frequencies. So 5G has a band of frequencies which is ranging from 450 MHz till 52.6 GHz. So you should be defining what are the frequency bands that will be used for different use cases and for different applications from this spectrum. Another example is related to the different deployment types. So we have many types of deployments, for example, the macro, the micro, or the picocell. So we need to define what are the type to be used with the different deployment according to the different applications or according to the different geographical area. Also, we have many use cases with extreme requirements, and we need to define for each use cases what are the different parameters and the different configurations that can be used to support those different and diverse use cases. The second concept in the 5G design principles is the forward compatibility. As we know already, the 5G radio has been developed and evolved through a sequence of releases, starting with release 15, 16, and then 17. And each new release included already additional features and enhancements. Since the 5G radio must support a wide range of use cases, maybe some of them are not yet defined, then forward compatibility is a very important concept in 5G design, and it should be considered highly by the different users and the different networks. The third concept for the 5G design is the ultra-lean design. As we already know, the mobile networks transmit certain signals at regular interval, even when there is no data to transmit to the user. So here the concept of ultra design in 5G refers to minimizing these always-on transmissions as much as possible. So what is the reason for this? The reason is that the network should transmit signals only when necessary, which improves the energy efficiency, which will lead to reducing the OpEx as one of the performance targets of the 5G we mentioned before.